Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 now tested by carriers to launch in August. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news. So as we know that Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3, both of these devices are going to be launching in the month of August. Particularly the August 3rd is going to be the date when Samsung is going to be unveiling both of these foldable devices, because their unpacked event will be held on the August 3 according to the latest leaks. Also we have the sale date as well, which is going to be the August 27 when both the devices are going to be available. And here the new report has been coming from South Korea gives us a detail that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 is going to be available to the carriers mainly in South Korea. The SK Telecom, KT and LGU Plus Telecoms are going to be the networks which are given these devices in order to test out whether these prototypes are going to be working with their bands or not. And this is a standard procedure done to determine if a new device is ready for the carrier networks, which gives the carrier and the phone makers the opportunity to add things like the pre-installed carrier apps you sometimes get when they first turn on your phone, or in order to clear up some hiccups. Also we have in the news that the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is going to be coming with a 512 gigs of internal storage. Basically that storage was not available previously. We don't have these storage available on the Galaxy Z Fold 2 devices, but now we have the option of 512 gigs of internal storage for all the international markets. Last year, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 was only available with a 512 gigs of internal storage only in China and some other countries, whereas the rest of the countries are only available with a 256 gigs of internal storage. According to fronttechpage.com, we have an information that Samsung is going to be pushing more and more units, particularly 7 million units for their foldable devices, in which 3 millions are going to be for the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the 4 millions for the Galaxy Z Flip 3 devices, because they are expecting to have these devices to be sold all around the world. There are certainly many reasons which indicates that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 devices are going to be pretty much successful. One of them is the Galaxy Z Fold 3, which is coming with an S Pen support, under display camera sensor, and also a bigger battery capacity inside the device. A new design is also coming, and finally the pricing of these devices are going to be 20% less than the Galaxy Z Fold 3, which means that the Galaxy Z Fold 3 will be coming in the price of $1,600, which is going to be an insane price for that particular machine, considering that it is coming with the latest technology inside. Unfortunately, we don't have the camera upgrades here, as the IC Universe has pointed out, because the leaks pointed out that there are going to be 12 megapixel triple camera setup on the back side, even though we have a new design, but the camera sensor are going to be the same as we have seen in the Galaxy Z Fold 2 devices. Anyhow, the Z Flip device is also going to be coming with a bunch of new improvements, like we have a smaller crease which is going to be available in the Z Flip 3, and also it is going to be coming with a price tag of $1,000, which is going to be an absolutely amazing price tag for foldable devices, because this is going to be the reason most of the people are going to buy that particular device. Anyhow guys, I am pretty much excited about the Galaxy Z Fold 3 512 gigs of internal storage, because it will also bring a 16 gigs of RAM option for the foldable device, and it's going to be making the foldable device even more powerful. And here, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion about that? Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.